प्रोफेसर जावेद साहब, वो शायद यहाँ पे नहीं है इस टाइम, इन एब्सेंशिया, प्रोफेसर सजाद साहब, डॉक्टर तौसीफ साहब, तारिक साहब, कैसर बशीर साहब, distinguished faculty members, student speakers, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Before we start today's deliberations in connection with the celebration of World Human Rights Day, I feel it a great honor to welcome and extend all warm greetings to all of you present here in today's program. I, on behalf of the principal of this college, and I, on behalf of myself, welcome organizing members of today's program, Dr. Tawseef Saab, HOD Islamic Studies, Professor Javed Saab, HOD Urdu, Professor Sajjad Saab, HOD English, Professor Kaisar Bashir Saab, NSS Program Officer, Tariq Saab, Department of Computer Applications, for their dedication and hard work in the conduction of today's program. I, on behalf of the organizing team of today's program and on behalf of myself, welcome student speakers who will throw light on today's program. Dear audience, today's program comprises of two segments. Number one, intra-college seminar on human rights under the themes dignity, freedom and justice for all, and rights of women as enshrined in the Indian Constitution. Number two, slogan cum poster making competition on the theme women empowerment. This program, in connection with World Human Rights Day, is being organized by the Department of Islamic Studies, the Department of Political Science, Department of Urdu, Department of English, in collaboration with Debates and Seminar Committee, NSS Unit, ICAC, and District Hub for the Empowerment of Women, Kupwara. As we know that Human Rights Day is observed every year on 10th of December, the day the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a milestone document, important document, which proclaims the inalienable, unchangeable rights that everyone is entitled to as a human being, regardless of race, color, religion, language, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth or other status. It is the most translated document, most important document in the world, available in 500 languages. This year's theme is dignity, freedom and justice for all. The main objective of observing Human Rights Day is to protect and promote the human rights of an individual. These rights include economical, social, fundamental and other rights. It also seeks a sense of responsibility to the authorities and also to make them accountable for any human rights violation. The incorporation of women's rights is a notable legacy and paved the way for the UN Convention on the Elimination of Violence Against Women. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights include right to equality, freedom from discrimination, right to life, liberty, personal security, freedom from slavery, right to social security, right to education, etc. These human rights are the same for all people everywhere. Men and women, young and old, rich and poor. Governments have a particular responsibility to ensure that people can enjoy their rights. They must establish and maintain laws. It is the duty of the government to maintain, to establish laws and services that enable people to enjoy a life in which their rights are respected and protected. For example, the right to education says that everyone is entitled to a good education. Therefore, governments have an obligation to provide good quality education facilities, good quality education facilities and services to their people. If the government fails to respect and protect their basic rights, people can call it to account. Similarly, Indian Constitution has ensured and enshrined fundamental rights for all citizens like right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. These basic rights are commonly known as human rights. The main privileges granted to women by Constitution of India are equality before law, equality of opportunity, reservation of seats for women in panchayats and municipalities, voting rights, etc. Lastly, the knowledge about human rights can empower individuals and offer solutions for specific problems. Now, to throw light on today's topics, we have some student speakers from different semesters. I welcome them all. Thank you so much.